Simple makeup tutorial for the party. Makeup can be a daunting task for many, especially when it comes to getting ready for a party or an event. However, with the right tips and tricks, achieving a flawless look can be quite simple. In this guide, we will go through a step-by-step process to achieve a simple yet stunning makeup look for a party. Step 1. Start with a clean slate. Before applying any makeup, it is important to start with a clean and moisturized face. Begin by washing your face with a gentle cleanser and patting it dry with a towel. Next, apply a moisturizer to ensure that your skin is hydrated and ready for makeup application. Step 2. Apply primer. Primer is an essential step in any makeup routine, as it helps to create a smooth base for foundation and makes your makeup last longer. Apply a small amount of primer to your face and blend it in using your fingers or a makeup brush. Step 3. Apply foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly to your face using a makeup sponge or brush. Be sure to blend it well and avoid any harsh lines or streaks. Step 4. Conceal dark circles and blemishes. Use a concealer that matches your skin tone to cover any dark circles under your eyes or blemishes on your face. Apply it using a small brush or your fingers, and blend it in well. Step 5. Set your makeup. To make your makeup last longer, apply a setting powder to your face using a fluffy brush. This will help to absorb any excess oil and keep your makeup in place. Step 6. Add some color to your cheeks. Apply a blush to the apples of your cheeks to add some color and dimension to your face. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and blend it in well using a blush brush. Step 7. Define your eyes. Using an eyeshadow palette, apply a neutral shade to your eyelids and blend it in well. Next, use a darker shade to define your crease and add some depth to your eyes. Finally, apply a coat of mascara to your lashes to open up your eyes. Step 8. Add some glam to your lips. Choose a lip color that complements your makeup look and apply it evenly to your lips using a lip brush. Blot your lips with a tissue to remove any excess product and finish off with a coat of lip gloss for some extra shine. Step 9. Finish off with setting spray. To ensure that your makeup lasts all night, finish off with a setting spray. Hold the bottle a few inches away from your face and mist it over your makeup. In conclusion, achieving a stunning makeup look for a party does not have to be complicated. With these simple steps, you can create a flawless look that will have you feeling confident and ready to take on the night. Remember to experiment with different colors and techniques to find the look that works best for you.